Hi everyone and welcome to this episode of Susie Soul Snacks. I'm Susie and today I would like to discuss the topic of divination and also a special tool that can be used for divination, and it's called body dowsing. So I'm sure most of you have heard of dowsing while using a pendulum, and the pendulum then reacts to your energy by swinging a certain way, and by doing so it can answer any questions that you have. But there are also several ways of using dowsing with your body. Muscle testing is one of those ways. But my preferred method is one where the body can be used as the pendulum to bring through that higher wisdom and connect to your higher self with the best interest at heart. So how do you use your body as a dowsing tool? Well, first is you stand up straight, no obstacles in the way, and stand in a nice and comfortable position. And first ask a question that you already know the answer to, and only one that can be answered with either a yes or a no. What I did when I first started is I asked, is my name? And then I would say my name, and then I would know what my body would do for a yes and a no answer. So you know that if your body falls slightly forward, that is then your yes if you ask a yes question. And if you fall slightly backwards, that is a no. So it's good to know what, of course, your yes and your no question and answer is. So when body dowsing, you can really ask anything you want. You can ask about health issues that you're facing, or about some mental worries or blockages that you have, and of course about your dreams or goals. You can really see body dowsing as just another tool in your spiritual toolbox, like that pendulum or like the tarot, for instance. And it can really give you that guidance when you need it. What I do recommend is that when you do the body dowsing, because I've been doing this for several years, it really helps to be in quite a neutral state when it comes to your emotions. So don't really do body dowsing when you're in a very heavy emotional state, when you're feeling very sad or very angry, just very emotional about something, because that can really affect the answers that your body is then giving you. So when you can, just try to be as neutral as possible about the outcome and about the situation itself that you are wanting answers with. So this will only lead to a better connection and to better and clearer answers. I truly hope this was helpful for you, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next episode. Bye bye.